Honey, I'm ready. If you want, we can change our clothes and start now.
When you're ready, I'm not ready.
I'm ready.
It's not true. Thank God for me, I like you.
Ozugo?
Ozugo?
Yes.
It chose the originality.
No.
Let me give them the originality.
No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Sylvia Onu, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Onitsha. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. So please just go to the subscribe button and hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you. You guys are the best. Guys, can you see what is happening here today? You all know that, in fact, we need to be thanking God. We need to go for Thanksgiving because finally our gold, our diamond decided to grace this channel for a sit down video willingly. Guys, willingly. This one is not him covering his nose with nose mask. No, this one, he decided to come and grace this channel today. You know, he promised us a sit down video on his birthday, so we are finally here today. Honey, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, we are meeting the hobby pie. For the
Yes,
first time,
it's my hobby
official.
pie. Yeah.
All those ones are not official. This
Yeah.
one is the very official intro. Mr. Chidebere Onu.
Chidebere.
This is
We
one.
are Chidi Square. He's Chidebere and I'm Chidimma. So we are Chidi Square. What do we call ourselves? Find a name now, a suitable name for this gang. What do we?
That's why I don't like this originality songs. They're now asking me what do we call ourselves. We call ourselves Chidi Square. I hope
Guys,
you like it.
don't mind if you know how much I've begged, if you know how long I've been begging for this. I have a lot to show you guys. Anyway, just watch this one first. Just like I promised, we are going to main market now. I and Hobby Pie. You have to thank God for me because this is a dream come true. You know, opening a channel and having your husband's support is not just enough. You sometimes you have to just sit down, film with me, you have to go so they will enjoy and see my hobby. Why are they do you understand? So guys, let's dive right into the video. You all know that I hate long videos, so let's start. Honey, I'll be asking you some questions and you'll be giving them the answer so they will know how much you know me, what you like about me and what you don't like, you know, all those things. I know, boy, you have to tell them by yourself, okay?
I will do my best.
Okay, so let's start. The first question is, when did we meet? On that church?
We met, Sha. We saw for the very first time in 2010.
2010, when? I said when. I know, the year is 2010. Which month? Even date itself.
You know, she thinks now she has caught me. You understand? Actually, September. Sometime in September 2010. Let me just put it that way.
So you don't know the date?
I don't know the exact dates.
Okay.
I don't want to lie.
Okay, yes, guys, he's right. We met in September 2010. And what was your first opinion about me?
Wow. You know, I was just sitting down. I saw someone in front of my colleague. What caught my attention was the smile. The smile. The way she was laughing, comfortable, you know, and it even affected my colleague's mood. He was so happy, you know, attending to her issues. It caught me.
Wow, that's good. And when did you know I was the one?
I think it was a love at first sight. Immediately I saw her,
Guys, do you believe in love at first sight?
that very first feeling, it never went away, even 2 years after,
Wow.
until our formal meeting.
Okay, oh. Anyway, when did we get married?
We got married 2012 October 13, 2000. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we wanted it to fall on my birthday. I can't forget that one. We wanted it to fall on our birthday, and as God will have it, the date we could get in October was October 13th.
Yeah, the weekend we could get.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember, because he's a banker and he can't fix something on a working day. 13th, yeah. I'm shocked though, guys. I'm shocked.
Originality.
He shocked me, honestly, because I know he can't remember anything. I'm shocked.
As Olodo.
No, not Olodo now. He used to forget some things.
I remember things that are important.
Okay. Thank God our wedding is important too, guys. The next question is, how long have you been married?
That one is simple.
Yeah. If you can remember the date and the year, simple.
8 years.
Yeah.
8 short years.
8 beautiful years.
Oh, yeah. Add that one too.
Yeah, 8 beautiful
8 short
years.
years.
Why are you saying short? It's not short. Do you know what 8 years is?
Just for me, just like yesterday.
One more last 8 years. Do you know the height will be like this? 8 years is not short.
Only that we have grown.
Yes.
In everything.
Yeah. And the next question is, how did you propose? Story or your gist us?
Yeah, this one is like to shock you. I was dating my wife then, and I didn't even know that there's something called proposal.
Hey, Bushman.
Pity me.
Oh, shaming me.
I went to see a friend, a very good friend at that, Edmond. So I told him about my spouse, how good she is, this, that, how everyone has accepted her already and everything. He now told me, hey, I'm very happy for you. Have you proposed to her? Because sometimes ladies might be telling you in their bag, I will marry her. I'm sure she will agree. I don't even need to tell her. But the day you tell her, they will bust your bubbles. Say, have you proposed to her? You have to buy a ring now and propose to her. Was when I realized that I've not even done the basic. That was busy. That was more than 2 months, or about 2 months.
2 months.
He had to take me to a very nice place. We bought engagement ring. I got home that very day. Quickly got home that very day. Called her, told her to come over.
Yeah.
She came over. We were gisting, playing, churches, playing.
Churches?
No.
Church?
Playing games too. No. Decent games and
Hi, honey pie.
So they will know.
Decent and churches?
When adults come together, they close the door. People think that maybe what they are doing is.
No, they are playing.
What we are doing was we are playing churches play.
Yes.
So when she was laughing, she was carried away with jokes and all that. Maybe she turned to face me. Boom! I flashed the engagement ring. She started shouting, screaming out of joy.
Screaming.
You are screaming. You can't hear yourself.
Guys,
Can't hear yourself.
I did not scream.
She was screaming, hey, oh my God.
I did not
oh my
scream.
God, I want to cry.
Oh,
I
Jesus,
want to cry.
I did not
Hey.
scream.
I'm the one that gave you the.
Who wanna cry?
So I will remember exactly what you did. She was screaming, hey, God, you have done it again.
Honey,
You have
also
done it
God,
again.
did
You
I
have
go for any prayer meeting before I got married?
I wouldn't know now. You know, one thing she asked me, she told me then that bankers, they said they used to flirt too much.
Yes.
So maybe in her mind, she was believing that this guy might be true, might not be true. But I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
So when I flashed the ring, she was so overwhelmed with joy, and she accepted immediately.
Yes, I accepted immediately.
No, let me think about it too, as all of you used to do.
Oh honey, I accepted because of your kind of person. That is it.
Thank
Nothing
you.
like God have done it again or
No.
screaming.
No, thank
Biko,
you.
let's go to the next question. Don't mind him. The next question is, how many children did I want before marriage?
When we were talking before marriage,
Yeah.
she told me she would like to have 4 children.
Perfect. 2
4
boys,
children.
2
2
girls.
boys, 2 girls. That was what she told me. That
2 boys, 2 girls.
I had my own. My number was 2, a boy and a girl. In fact, I didn't even care about the gender. Just, God, please, I need. One is okay, but two, perfect.
Honey, I want 4.
God give it to you.
Eh?
God will give it to you.
Yes, he will give me triplets. I must have my 4. Next one is triplets.
And Buhari is on top.
You can't run away from this.
Buhari is on top. 4 children. Oh God.
I want 4. Anyway, the next question is, what does your family think of me?
My family. That my family.
Yeah.
My mom took her as her daughter. My dad took her as her father. My dad didn't even ask a question, just took her immediately as her daughter. My siblings, they were all flowing. Just the foresight, they were all flowing already.
Yeah.
So nobody even raised an eyebrow or asked any question. Actually, go and do night vigil and all that. Nobody. Everybody just accepted.
Yeah.
For the very first time in my life, I had that experience.
They never accepted anyone like that before.
There must be issues. Let me not talk about it.
There must be. Wow. Perfect match made in heaven. That's how it is.
I told you.
Yeah. The next question is, what does your friend think of me? Which friend now? Do you have anyone in?
They all accepted her.
Okay. The next question is, what is my worst habit? Whoa.
Oh, Jesus. Let me stretch. Thank God it's coming, and you said you want it original.
Honey, no, now wait.
I think after my mother, she's the next person talking about lateness.
After your mother. So the women in your life are fond of being late.
My father used to be shouting, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" In fact,
so you married your mother in lateness.
my mind.
What is my best habit?
Yeah, probably you have so much. You have so much to mention, but let me just say the best.
Say the best, yeah.
Guys, there is all those small things you do to spice up marriage.
Yeah.
I don't like them because of my wife.
Oh.
I don't like them.
Oh.
Don't talk about the big ones. I'm talking about the small ones. I didn't say anything. Just those small things we do.
Why would they talk about the big ones? Why are you saying small?
Yeah, that's your best thing.
Small.
Those small ones.
On the big boy.
She knows how to take care of those ones.
Small ones.
Those little things they told you that spice up marriage. She knows how to handle them.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting this answer, Joe, but thank you.
Thank God.
Okay, who wears the pants in the relationship? Hey!
Look at us.
You can't answer that one. You already know we are Igbos, so you know the answer.
I'm wearing double pants.
Iron pants. It's not double. Iron pants.
I'm doing my best. It is so bad that if mosquito bites, if my daughter gets a mosquito bite, I will be called. Honey, Rachel just had a mosquito bite. Do I take her to hospital?
Hey God, guys, don't mind him.
That's not bad.
Honey, stop now. Which one is mosquito bite?
But it's true now. We are telling them the truth.
Don't mind him. Because next question, if you could get rid of one thing that belongs to me, what would that be? What is it?
Guys, the phone. The phone. Phone. Sometimes I want to take back my marriage to the
2012.
80s. The 80s.
Even in 2012, we are not addicted to phone like we are now.
Yes,
Yeah.
Of course, when with the YouTubing and
Yeah, and
thing.
guys, I can't do away with my phone now.
It is so
I'm a
bad.
YouTuber.
No. Let's face the fact now.
Honey,
Let's tell them the truth.
Honey, I must reply comments. Who is the better cook? I'm ready. Give us the answer. Honey, who is the better cook? Are you
Guys,
thinking about it?
We are cooks.
Yes,
Do you
we
understand?
are cooks.
We can cook.
Yeah.
She's better in some. I'm better in some. Her signature dish is her fried rice. based on my work demand. I've been to good restaurants. I've been to, 5-star hotels and all that. But my dear, I'm still to find a better one. Fried rice. She's the best.
Yes, my fried rice. If you just test it, you're going to lick if your finger. You will chop it off. Yeah, tap here. So anyway.
And it tastes better when it's a surprise.
When is a surprise? I'll cook surprise fried rice for you soon.
Thank you very much.
Okay, what do we argue most about?
We just finished an argument. You know the argument? You need to tell me the questions you're supposed to ask me now so that I don't mess up in front of this camera. She wouldn't. She said she's originality. I have to give in.
See, let me explain.
We argue about nothing.
To be honest, what he said now, I wanted us to film a husband and wife tag, but I can't give him the questions now. If he knows everything, it won't be real. Or I just want everything to be original. So I told him that I can't give him the questions. He said we should film it next week. And I had to beg for him to come here.
I want to do my research.
Only now you can't do research. If you research, it won't be original again. You will come here and you'll be reading like you are reading from script. So you won't understand now.
I will do it as others do it. Most of those others, they act. Like, I want to
even if they're acting, I don't want my own to be acting. I want my own to be original. That is why I will do everything. If I make mistake, I can cut it while editing. But I want it to be original now.
Thank you. You've got it.
Thank you for understanding. Well, it's like you didn't understand this one. You are saying it here.
No. I need to tell them so they will know. Our last argument was before this video.
Ever pretended to be asleep to avoid arguments?
No, I can't do that.
No? Why?
Why should I pretend now? I'm keeping something for next time, or I want to sleep with it. I have to tell you my mind now. We clear it when I sleep.
Perfect. Next question is, what was our last argument? Okay, we just answered it now. Yeah, guys, we just answered it. What was the last text message I sent you? Check your phone.
How far? How far?
Oh, you don't say how far. You are saying it as if it's
how far. I was working. She sent me a text. How far? Because we are supposed to see someone.
We are supposed to go somewhere, and he was still working in the office. So I said, how far? How far? What are you doing? How about time? Are you checking your time? All those things. Okay. So who is more affectionate?
Let's give it to her.
Yeah. You don't say let's give it to her like you are just giving it. You know it's the truth.
You merit it.
Yeah, thank you. What is something that I enjoy doing with you?
She enjoys watching movies, shows, and all that.
Yeah.
And our best show, the one we enjoy most, my flatmates.
Yeah, my flatmates. Are you not watching it? If you are not, you better start watching it. Who is more romantic?
She is. The one you can see, she is. But I have it in my heart, enough of it. Very
Which house?
affectionate. Everything in my heart.
Please, if you can't show me, there is nothing there.
But God sees it.
Honey, you have to show me so I will believe you. You can't tell me that God sees it.
The one that will carry us far is the one I have in my heart. Not the one you can show. You can finish it. You understand?
Guys, please, I'm the romantic one. Who is the funny one? Yeah, he's the funny one. I don't even talk. You won't believe it, but I don't talk. Who is more outgoing? Hey.
He likes walking.
He will prefer to sleep all day, but me, I'll go out. Yeah. Would I prefer to stay in or go out on Friday nights? Go out.
She will go out.
Yeah.
I'm the one holding her back. Thank God for me. I'm the one holding her back.
Oh God, oh. Honey, have you ever lied to avoid an argument?
Like to avoid an argument?
Yes.
Necessary now, most times.
What is necessary? So did you just say that you do lie to avoid argument?
Not bad lies. Do you know they are good lies?
Which one is the good one and which one is the bad
good
one?
ones are the ones you use to make sure everybody is happy. You understand? Not that I did a bad thing. Understand? Rude.
Honey?
Head bridge. Hi.
Guys, we will see you later. What did you just say?
Originality now. I'm telling you.
This one is not about the filming again. Which originality?
I'm just telling you the truth. Just, do you want me to lie? Okay. You want me to say the lie?
Okay, let's finish the video. Let me just hold it till we finish the video. Oh yeah. The next question is: have I ever gotten something for you that you didn't like?
There are so many good gifts from her. Very interesting, wonderful gifts. Oh, the one I did not like. There was one time she traveled and came back with a shoe for me. I was so happy. I was so happy. That was the first shoe she bought for me. The very first shoe she bought for me. Only for me to put my leg inside the shoe. It felt like a carton.
Hey, only my Italian shoe.
I didn't need to tell her, so she will not feel bad. But since she said she wants originality, I'm giving it to her.
I don't want originality again.
Okay, you want me to lie?
No, I did not say. There is something we call omission. You have to omit some things.
No.
Honey, now wait.
She doesn't know how to buy a shoe for the husband.
Oh my God. Anyway, next time, don't worry, you will see. Okay, what is the best gift I've ever gotten for you?
Oh my God. My daughter. My adorable, beautiful, intelligent, so much wisdom. My daughter. That's the best gift I got from her.
Thank you.
I know many of the traits are from me.
Many of which traits
The
are
traits
from
in
who?
the gene, the genetic combination in that daughter.
From who? Onibiko, you better stop it. Pecha is just... Anyway, everybody knows. God the good. What is something I cannot live without?
You have said it earlier now. The one that will take away, if I have to take away something. That's the phone.
Guys, please explain to my husband that this is my office. I can't live without this phone now. I'm a YouTuber. There is no way I can live without my phone. Only now. This is my office, so do you want me to take away bank from you?
In the toilet, phone. She wants to bath, phone. Around 2 o'clock in the morning,
Honey, stop
she's
now.
replying her phone.
Sometimes you will see a captivating comment
I will
that
just
you
close
can't
my- thank you
ignore
very
now.
much. I will just-
And I use one word to describe me. Hey.
What will sum up everything? She's adorable.
Ow.
She's adorable. So adorable.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very adorable.
How? Okay. What is my best physical trait?
The very first thing that started the whole thing in the first place. Her big smile.
Yeah.
Her big smile.
Thank
You
you.
can't hide the smile.
Okay, what is my best personality trait?
I'm the one holding my wife back home. Very adventurous. Even risk. As in the one that a man will even think twice. She can. Let me not even go there. Let me just keep it for some, and maybe I don't know the kind of video that I will even put it. Let me just drop this hint. You understand what I mean?
Okay.
There was a time in quote to one insurance company. Let me not just call their name. Let me just give them that respect. They were owing me for more than 5 years. They were owing me. They don't want to pay. They kept on telling stories because they are closing down. I've already given up hope. My wife said, "What? For what? You are giving up hope for what?" And I said, so many of my colleagues that are owing them, they've not paid them. I said, nothing. That she go and get that money. Who is that person? She took my daughter and left for Lagos to their head office, Gogo. Head office. She threatened to sleep in that office unless they pay that money. Do you know, it took her just 2 days. What took me 5 years, I couldn't get it to. Even others have given up. Up till now, some people have given up hope.
Yeah.
It took her 2 days to get my check.
Yeah, it's true, guys.
Complete. All the money complete.
Yeah.
I didn't. If I want to tell you the full story, maybe this video will cross boundaries. But she loves this kind of risk. That's the kind of person I'm marrying.
Yeah.
I'm holding her back. I'm trying to calm her down. Her adrenaline, most times, they shoot up too much.
Oh my.
They bring them down. Calm down. Be calming down.
On the last but not the least question, who is most likely to get into a fight?
I just said it now.
Eh?
She's the kind of person you want us to die tomorrow. Can't we die now?
Guys, it's not true.
It's not true. Thank God for me, her life.
Ozugo?
Ozugo?
Yes.
It chose originality.
No.
Now, let me give them the originality.
No. It's time for
But see, she's in a good way.
Yeah.
She's a woman that will die for the husband, and that is what I don't play with. She can, as in, I didn't even see it in her the very first time, but she's somebody that can die for you. I have not been in a relationship with somebody that has this kind of trait. She can. Once I say do this, and maybe I will not tell her that too. Maybe it's kill this person. Sure, they're dead. So don't be in the party. That's a joke.
Oh, honey, thank you so much for gracing this channel. Like, I won't forget today in a hurry. Thank you. Thank you. You know I love you more than you can ever imagine. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, please say thank you to my hubby for this video. I'm so happy. This is my best filming day because I'm here doing it with the love of my life, the only man that I feel safe with. And I want to tell you that if you want to see our how we met video, do drop it in the comment section. That is the best how we met video you will ever watch, because our story is kind of different, yeah, and you don't want to miss that video. So if you want to see it, drop it in the comment section and we will bring it on. When are you going to film that one?
When you are ready.
Only I'm ready. If you want, we can change our clothes and start now.
When you are ready, I'm not ready.
I'm ready.
You not take me up like this one.
Okay guys, we are going to plan for that one and we're going to film it soon. So if you want to see it, drop it in the comment section. We love you guys so much and we appreciate your love. Only, do you have any message for them?
Keep supporting Da Sylvia.
Yeah,
You'll never go wrong.
Yeah.
Originality.
Yeah.
Like I told you, she doesn't like to play with it, edit it and all that. She likes keeping it original.
Raw. Yeah, because I don't know how to fake things. So guys, I want to thank you and to remind you, if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. To my returning subscribers, we love you so much. Thank you so much. And with this, we say bye.